Supriya Sule has also held a protest amid outrage over Thane horror. Politicians hitting the streets as well. NCP Sharad Pawar hits the streets, and Supriya Sule has also hit out at the state government, highlighting the rise in crime against women in Maharashtra.
आणि क्राईम अगेन्स्ट विमेन म्हणजे महिलांच्या विरोधात होणारे या सगळ्या ज्या घटना आहेत त्या प्रचंड महाराष्ट्रात वाढताना दिसत आहेत. मी बदलापूरला आणि महाराष्ट्रात किंवा देशात कुठेही अशी जी घटना होते त्याचा जाहीर निषेध एक समाज म्हणून आपण सगळे करतो. विषय अतिशय संवेदनशील आहे, पण ज्या पद्धतीने तो हाताळला गेला हे अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे. काल जेव्हा लोक रस्त्यावर उतरले तेव्हा या सरकारला जाग आली.
We have Shrishti joining us with more details. Shrishti, that was Supriya Sule hitting out at the government, citing data saying crime against women in Maharashtra is on a rise, and also accusing the government of not being properly able to handle the case. Supriya Sule says it's unfortunate the manner in which the government is only spending crores on advertising their schemes but not actually providing any safety and security to women.
Well, of course, yesterday also we have seen that the protesters were saying the same thing, that we don't want any kind of Ladli Behan Yojana, which would give 1,500 rupees to the sisters of the state, but we want safety and security. Now, the same has been echoed by Supriya Sule. But also, Sanjay Raut, a leader from Uddhav Thackeray's party, he has gone ahead and attacked the state government as well as PM Modi. He has mentioned that the PM Modi's mentality also reflects the state government's mentality, as he went ahead and campaigned for Prajwal Revanna in Karnataka, and that is the exact mentality which is reflecting of this entire government. Why the actions were not taken earlier, and why there are cases which are being filed against the protesters. There is a huge outrage by the people in Badlapur. They are seeking justice, and this is not something which can be understood. This is a heinous thing which has happened, wherein two 4-year-old girls were molested, sexually molested, and what comes across is that this entire case was not handled properly by the school management as well as the cops. They have, they have taken a lot of time to file the FIR. They have also not, informed the proper authorities in this entire case, and that will be probed. SIT has been formed by the Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis in this regards. However, Sanjay Raut is also saying that why SIT is needed. This is not the way to carry out the entire probe. SIT is something which would have had importance if the accused wouldn't have been arrested. Now the accused has been arrested, and why there is a need of SIT. Also, he has also attacked Chief Minister Eknath Shinde for the probe in this entire matter to be taken in fast track court. He has said that this unconstitutional government, their entire case should be taken in fast track court and not this case. He has also mentioned that this government is just trying to safeguard accused, and they are only trying to shield the accused. Even if this particular organization of which this school is associated with, if it would have been the association affiliated with MVA, then Devendra Fadnavis along with his Mahila Morcha would have sat for hunger strike at that particular location. But this is not happening now. So they are trying to shield the accused, and they are finding some ways to get out of it. However,
yes, this has also led to political blame game, a war of words between the politicians, while citizens hit the streets and protest demanding justice. Shrishti, stay on with us. We also